Hey guys, I'm Tara. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a relaxing yoga practice. So it's going to be more like restorative, although restorative typically has props. In today's class, you don't need any props unless you like to use them in your practice, then feel free to grab them. So this practice is going to be about 15 minutes. So we're going to hold each pose for about 3 minutes, and then the poses that we do on each side will hold 1.5 minutes each side. So really it's just to let you unwind, relax. So you could do it before bed, or if you just feel like you need to get grounded, relax, then you can do this practice as well. So I'm really cold right now, so I'm in really comfy clothes. I'm in like joggers. I have my sweatshirt on, so get into something comfy and then go ahead and get on your mat and we will get into our practice. So the first pose we're going to do is a wide leg child's pose. So feel free to use props if you like to in your child's pose. You can put like a blanket underneath or between your hamstrings and calves to prop you up if you need. You can always have a bolster, hug the bolster if that's more comfortable, but you don't need any props if you don't want. So you're going to have your toes together, knees wide. You're going to stretch your arms out in front and then relax your forehead on the mat. So through this class with these poses, you really want to be comfortable, so you don't want to feel like you're straining at all. We're really trying to just relax and let go, so you want your body to be comfortable. So here, feel your forehead relaxing into the earth. Let the weight of your head go. Keep your palms facing down to get grounded. Release any tension in your shoulders. Release any tension in your hips. Just feel yourself melting into the earth. If you find your mind wandering, just bring your attention back to your breath. From here, start to walk your hands back up to move yourself to sitting. So for our next pose, you do need to be next to a wall, so we're going to do legs up the wall. So you bring your butt really close to the wall. You're laying on your back, and then your legs are going to be relaxing on the wall. Kind of looks like this. You can relax your hands at your sides, palms facing up. Even like tucking your shoulders underneath you to just keep the chest open. And then I'm not like straightening my knees to be like straight against the wall. I'm letting my knees bend so my legs are like really relaxed and the wall's just supporting me here. So tune into any areas in your legs that you feel like you're holding tension and just let it go. Just let your upper torso relax into the earth. Option, you could either keep your legs here, or if you want, you can kind of bring your feet together into like a Supta Supta Baddha Konasana position, with that butterfly position to open the hips. It's up to you, whatever you like. If you have your legs in the Baddha Konasana position, go ahead and straighten your legs so your feet go back up the wall. And then go ahead and scoot yourself away from the wall. And we're going to go onto our backs for a supine twist. So you're going to bring your hands out to the side. Keep your knees bent and let your knees fall to the left. Relax any tension in your hips that might be holding you up. Keep your right shoulder in contact with the earth and look to the right. If your legs are floating up to keep the shoulder in contact with the earth, that's fine. Try to keep a lot of length in your torso. So there's a lot of length between your rib cage and your hip. Just take some deep breaths here. Start to slowly bring your legs back to center and bring your knees over to the right. Move to the left. Keep your left shoulder in contact with the earth. Try to focus in on your hips and just release any tension holding there. Again, make sure you have that space between your hips, your pelvis, and your rib cage, so we're keeping that long. And take a few deep breaths here. The right leg relaxed. You're not trying to pull it in to the left. You're just letting it relax. From here, slowly bring your knees back up. Go ahead and turn onto your stomach. We're going to do Makarasana or crocodile pose. So you're laying on your stomach. You're going to place one hand on top of the other, and you're just going to relax your forehead on your hands. And really try to relax here. So this pose is gives you a mini back bend, but it's more of a relaxation while giving you some extension through your low back. Really put your attention into your pelvis. And if you notice you're holding tension here, just try to release. Release any tension in the glutes. You really want to keep the legs relaxed, so if you feel like your heels are just splaying out to the side and your toes are turning in to relax your legs, that's fine. We're just going to switch hands, so whichever hand you have on the bottom on the earth, bring that on top, and then relax your forehead back down. Release any tension you're holding in your shoulders and neck. Check in again with the low back and pelvis, and just let it release. Always coming back to the breath. From here, we're going to roll back onto our backs. And we'll move into Shavasana. So go ahead and straighten out your legs. Relax your hands. Tuck your shoulders under you. If you want to bolster under your knees, go ahead and get that. If you want to make this more restorative, otherwise you can keep your legs out straight. So on your own, just scan your body from your feet to your head. And if you notice any areas you're holding tension or holding tight, send your breath into those areas and let it relax. Start to bring your awareness back into your body, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Go ahead and bend your knees and turn onto whichever side you'd like, resting your head on your arm. Go ahead and press through your hand to move yourself back into sitting. Sit in a cross-legged position. Relax your hands face down on your knees. Just notice how you feel after going through those poses. Bring your hands into prayer at your heart. Thank yourself for taking the time to relax your body and mind. And thank you for joining me in today's practice. Namaste. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you feel super relaxed. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right below me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.